Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Emma. Does Emma store my bank login details? This is a critical security question when using any financial app like Emma. The short and reassuring answer is, no, Emma does not store your actual bank login credentials. Here is how it works, especially for users in the UK and other regions utilizing similar systems. Emma connects to your bank accounts using a secure technology called open banking. Open banking is a government-mandated system that allows you to share your financial data safely with regulated third parties like Emma without ever sharing your actual bank password or PIN. When you link an account to Emma, you are redirected to your bank's official website or app. You log in there directly with your bank and grant Emma permission to access your transaction data. This permission is typically read-only, meaning Emma can see your transactions and balances, but it cannot move or spend your money. The bank then sends Emma a secure, encrypted digital key, often called a token, that allows Emma to periodically fetch your financial data. This token is what Emma stores, not your username and password. If you want to stop Emma from accessing your data, you can revoke this permission either through the Emma app or directly through your bank's online security settings. Emma is registered with financial regulators like the FCA in the UK, which means they must adhere to strict security standards and data protection laws. They also use bank-level security measures like 256-bit TLS encryption for all data transfers. So, to summarize, Emma is designed to connect to your accounts safely using open banking. It never sees or stores your personal bank login details, which means your credentials are not compromised even if their servers were. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.